If you hate your hooded eyes, then I will make you fall in love with them. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a stunning, large, sharp winged eyeliner on hooded eyes without it looking messed up, and I can assure you, you will love it. So if you're ready, let's begin. With hooded eyes, we know that we usually have a fold resting on top of the lid. So when you try to apply a winged eyeliner, it will interfere with that fold of the hood, which can make it look distorted. Instead, try this incredible technique. The first step is to maximize the space underneath the brows so the lids look bigger. And for this, try and push your brows as high as possible, even if you have less space between your brows and your eyes. So we can maximize the space underneath your brows. I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel to push my brow hair upwards so it'll stay in place, and I'm going to lightly press it so it stays flat. Now using a fine tip brow pencil, this is precisely my brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade 4.5. I'm going to lightly fill in the sparse areas and shape my brows underneath. When you keep your brows light and feathered out, it doesn't look heavy on the lid. In my case, you will observe that I have uneven skin tone. My skin on the lids don't match up with the skin underneath my brows. So to even out everything, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer. This is in the shade 145, which is warm beige. By evening out the skin, it gives you more flexibility to create illusions of a larger lid space. Then using one size translucent powder, I'm going to lightly set my lids so the concealer doesn't settle in the fold lines and crease. Now the lid looks so much more even and cleaner. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is the Glow palette by Revolution Beauty. I'm going to start with this burnt orange shade. With a large blending brush, I'm going to swipe it outward and upward in the outer corner, and that should give an elongated eye effect in the outer corner, even when you keep your eyes open. Using this lighter ivory shade, I'm going to brighten up the inner half of the lid to draw more light and make the lid space appear bigger. Using this deeper auburn shade, I'm going to create a beautiful wing. Because I have that outer fold, rather than creating a wing from my upper lash line, which might get distorted because of the fold, I'm going to extend my lower lash line to create the wing. Avoiding that fold line, I'm going to pull out a straight line in the outer corner and join it to my lower lash line, and further sharpen it with my fingernail. You can also create this with an eyeliner if you prefer, but I would highly recommend practicing with eyeshadows before you use eyeliner because this is more forgiving. I'm going to then thicken that line and lightly join it to my upper lash line in the very outer corner. And now, even if I keep my eyes open, that wing is not interfering with the fold of the hood. Now, this step makes all the difference. Using some concealer, I'm going to clean up the edges with a flat brush, and I'm going to sharpen that wing. You can see what a big difference that makes. Using the burnt orange shade, I'm going to further diffuse it, moving towards the inner corner. And that looks fantastic. The next step is to line the lash line. Again, instead of going over the lashes, I'm going to tight line underneath the lashes, for which I'm using the Aqua Resist pencil by Makeup Forever. This is a waterproof pencil and the only one that does not transfer to my lower waterline. And as you can see, that looks like a thin liner in my top lash line and does not interfere with the fold. To finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply a coat of mascara, for which I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, one of the best drugstore mascaras if you haven't tried it. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to apply a good coat of mascara both to my top as well as bottom lashes. If you prefer, you can also use false lashes with this look, but if you do, try to use something that wings out and does not cover up your lid space. So something that's more wispy, because we want to keep the lid looking as open as possible. And here is the finished look. It looks incredible. I really hope you try this. It's so simple and it looks absolutely stunning. For this look, I'm going to keep the lips looking very simple because the highlight of this look is the wing. So I'm going to start with my trusty brow pencil from Koki Cosmetics. I'm going to use it in the borders and lightly shade it inward. Next, I'm going to top this off with this stunning lip gloss from LH Cosmetics in the shade Sugar. This is a super high shine gloss that looks absolutely incredible. And here is the finished look. Would you try it? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box right below this video, along with all the products that I used in today's tutorial. You can also click on the view products link that's embedded within this video on the left bottom corner. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.